Is it slime yet?
Who's out on the run is CoCo. She's always having fun is CoCo. Her adventures big and small, she will take us through all crazy adventures of CoCo.
Are you ready to make another slime? What color are you going to make?
Color changing.
Color changing.
Sweet, that would be awesome. Are you so excited?
Yeah. When it gets hot, it turns color. I've never made slime before.
You just made slime a minute ago. Was that your first time making slime? Who taught you how to make slime?
Who taught me how to make slime? Her's a good teacher. Put your phone down. Let's do this.
So to make color changing slime, what do?
You put the glue in.
Okay.
After you put your glue, you're going to add, what is this called?
Thermochromic powder.
Cool. Okay, I'm actually going to sprinkle it in and then you guys can stir it in, okay? All right, let's put some in Annie's bowl. Okay, stir it in. Very careful. Let's give you just a little bit more.
I got it so fast.
Good for you. Keep it in the bowl.
I will.
What color is it?
Red.
Oh, you said you wanted to make red slime too.
I keep stirring it.
Yeah, just keep stirring it.
But how do we make it slimy?
Well, we have to add the contact solution. I'm not going to tip it over and make a mess. I'm just getting it all mixed to help you mix it in. Okay, so we add our contact solution. Or wait, let's add a little bit of the secret stuff first. The baking soda. Yeah, let's add. Here, you can put it in yours.
I'm gonna put that in my bowl.
Yeah, we will. We'll let you. Can you stir that in? Mix it all in real good. Mix it real good. And then we can add the contact solution. Hurry.
But I want to make
Well, here, do it. Add it in there. Okay, and then stir it real good. Okay, add that in there.
I think I'm going to I think it needs a little bit more.
Okay, and then stir it all in. Stir it real good.
I think we need to wash it.
You have to stir it a lot, Annie. You have to stir, stir, stir. How's yours coming?
Oh, my arm hurts.
Oh boy.
It's getting
I
there.
don't have any more energy.
You don't have any more energy. Oh my goodness.
Me neither.
Are you guys both tired?
Yes.
Well, I guess we can't make a slime. You want me to help you again? You're getting too tired stirring? Oh my goodness, slime is a lot of work, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to stir, stir, stir. Is it slime yet? Oh, Annie, I think it's almost slime. Is it? Let me see. I gotta get it off my finger first. If it sticks to my finger, we need more contact solution. Can you put more contact solution in it? Now it's not sticky very much. Okay, you need some on your hands. That way it won't stick to your hands. Okay, do you want to play with it now?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. Oh, yours looks good too, CoCo. Oh no. Okay, rub your hands together. Rub them together. Rub them until you get all the slime off of them. Pick it up and push it in here. Okay. You have to rub it off and get it off here. Tap it like that until it comes off, and then it will come off. There's none on that hand, right? Is it all off? Is that hand clean too?
Yeah.
All right, let's put some stuff down so we don't stick. Are you ready? You gotta play with it so that it's not sticky. Okay, remember how CoCo showed you? Do the pokies. Like that, pokey, pokey.
Pokey, pokey. Pokey, pokey, poke. Pokey, pokey, poke.
Here, let's bring it this way, and then you can make more pokies.
Hey, it looks like a brain.
Can you make more pokies right here?
It looks like a brain.
Oh no. Pop it.
I was like, why is mine so much whiter than hers? Because it changes colors.
You probably didn't have as much powder in yours, but that's okay. But they're both gonna change color. Do you wanna see yours change color? We gotta find something really cold. Hold on, let's see. Ooh, this looks really cold. Okay, so what you're gonna do is touch it to your slime and, okay, touch it to it and then lift it up. Did it change color? Try it again. Oh, you know what? I think your slime is already cold. We need something hot. Shall we find something hot? Okay, let's see what we can find that's really warm.
My hands are hot.
What about if we got a spoon? Really hot. Do you think that would work?
That's my boo.
But it's not very hot. Let me get it really hot, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
It was hot.
Let me get it really, really hot. Can you do pokies for me?
Yes, I can.
Show me. Look at the bubble, Codee. CoCo, that's awesome. Look at this.
I need lots of practice. Yay! I got more energy. Then that thing gets hot.
Not quite. Make some more pokies while I get it hot. Hurry. What's CoCo doing over there? She's making bubbles. She's popping your bubbles.
Hey, that was my bubble.
I love my bubbles.
There you go.
I love my bubbles.
Are you going to make a bubble with hers?
Yeah, you want me to make one for you? Yeah. And yours? Oh, yours is really cold.
Really cool?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm getting the hot spoons. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here you go.
Okay. Whoa, look at mine.
Whoa, yours sure did change. Whoa, try it over here.
Dad.
It's changing color. Okay, do it. What color did it change to?
It changed it to yellow.
Yellow. Wow. That's so cool. Put it right in the middle. Put it right there in the middle.
Just white.
Whoa, like a white. Yours is white yellow because you didn't have as much color powder. What color did it change to, Annabelle?
Watch it.
What color?
Yellow.
Do you like that one, Annabelle?
Yeah.
So, what color is it?
Orange and yellow.
Want to? Then pop it.
Okay, pop.
See if you can make another one.
I'm gonna make it yellow just by my hand.
Are your hands warm enough? You did.
I made a bubble.
You did. That's a baby bubble. Don't pop the baby.
But it's not baby.
There's another baby on this side, a baby bubble.
I don't see it. Now with a big bubble.
Right there. Are you gonna pop it?
Pop. Pop, pop, pop. I'm gonna make more bubbly bubbles. Have you ever made slime? Have you ever made color slime? What did they say? I think they said yes.
Can we put the slime away and have lunch now?
No. Codee's ready.
She's ready for lunch.
I'm not ready for lunch.
We're gonna put the slime away so we can have lunch.
I'm not ready.
Well, you will be if I just take your slime away.
I want to try that.
Annabelle!
Yeah?
I'm hungry!
Nathan's hungry.
So we should eat lunch then, okay?
Okay. We're watching.
Here to give us a thumbs up.
Remember.